Hi guys, and welcome to 123myIT. In this video we will show you how to make your phone number private on Android in 2020. Okay guys, so if you want to call someone's phone but you don't want your number to display on their phone, then this video will help. There is a few ways you can hide your number, so let's get started. If you want to hide your number on a single call, then you can dial a prefix before you dial the number. So for example, my prefix in Australia is #31#, and then the phone number I'm calling. Remember, this is for a single call, so you would have to type the prefix every time. As always, test this to another phone before you make that important call. If you want to make your phone number private on all calls, then tap the phone and then tap the three dots, and then tap settings. If you don't have three dots, just go into settings and then call settings on your phone. On my Samsung, I tap on supplementary services and then show caller ID and then hide number. Other Android phones might be different. You might have operator call settings and then additional settings and then owner number. If you can't find it there, then try one of these other locations for the different Android phones. Okay, before we call that crazy person, let's test it to another phone to make sure it's hidden. Awesome, it's working. Your number is coming up as no caller ID, or it will show as private number. Also guys, don't forget to check out my other videos such as copy data iPhone to Android with iCloud in 2020. And do me a favour, if you know anyone who might need this video, please share it with them, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon.